Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel VOCAB Chat, where we bring one new word every day to add to your vocabulary. So our today's word is brandish. So what does brandish mean? Brandish means to wave something in the air in an aggressive or excited way. Now let's see some similar words to brandish that will help you understand the word better. Wave, shake, swing, etc. Now let us see how can we use the word brandish in a sentence. So here is the first sentence. The robber was brandishing a knife. What does it mean? It means that the robber was threatening people by waving his knife. Let us take another example. She brandished a stick at the dog, which means she tried to scare the dog using a stick. So that was it for today. Hope you will use the word brandish in one of the sentences that you form today. Thank you for tuning in.